Actually, our Sreepur Village is an international NGO. Here in Sreepur Village, we are targeting to help the helpless mother who actually don't get support from their families, from husband or all these. So we can take the mothers and children here, we train them and make them to get established and get into their feet after getting released, so they can get back into their life and they can run their life at their own and take care of their own child. Till now, last 35 years, we have successfully released. Those are almost 1,375 mothers and near about 4,000 children. They got all the support, training, education, and now they are the picture, or they are the picture of our success of this Sreepur village.